the transmission over temp warning in a Jeep Wrangler or actually any other Jeep model is aimed initially to show you that the transmission is overheating and you need to stop your car and let it cool down. It's made for off-roading, and that's why the Wrangler is one of the most common vehicles where you can see this message. But the problem is that the most Jeep owners that see this warning, they see it randomly, and it just appears on the dash of their cars when they start their vehicles, and that's why they are freaking out, because how can a transmission be overheated when you just start the car in the morning? And according to my research, the problem is with the BCM unit, which is not coded properly, and there is unfortunately no software update for this BCM to get rid of this. So if you go to the dealership, they will start throwing parts, throwing software updates at your car for your money, and it will not solve the problem. So actually the majority of Jeep owners just ignore this message, they ignore this problem. But there is one scenario that you need to pay attention to. If your car doesn't start and shows this transmission over temp warning, it may mean that there is a problem with connections or battery. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to load test the battery. Test the battery. If under load it still gets proper voltage. If the voltage drops really much, this battery should be at least charged or maybe even replaced. And the second thing, which is very common for Jeep Wrangler vehicles, is to check the connection, the cable that comes from the battery to the starter. And exactly on the starter's side, this connection may fail. It may be pretty loose and it will get corroded over time, so there will be high resistance, and when you try to start the car, the voltage will drop in the vehicle and the car will not start. You will see random messages, including the transmission over temp message. This is just one of them. So if you see this warning when you start your car in the morning, but the car starts and everything is fine, you just ignore this problem. This is kind of a BCM glitch that you can't cure, you can't fix it right now. And if you see this warning when you're revving up, when you're off-roading, when your vehicle is very hot, when it works pretty hard, you need to stop your vehicle and let it cool down a little bit, because the transmission may be actually overheated, and if it's overheated, it may get some damage. And if you see this warning and the car doesn't start, you may just check the connections and the battery.